Are y'all ready to make a bow with me? We're gonna make the cutest bow for our latest wreath kit. And yes, if you wanna know what this bow is going on later, just put bow here in the comments and we will let you know. Now, we're gonna get started. The kit comes with all 3 of these ribbons, and I love mixing this little stitch on the edge with this really super cute, it's like a scalloped edge woven jute. I love that. And then this is a faux burlap that's going to kind of tie it all together. This is a very natural, rustic, think Martha meets Magnolia. That's the look we're going for here, and I'm going to show you how to do it. So we're going to start with our stitch ribbon in the back, and this is going to be a 3-loop bow, but we're going to use multiple ribbons in it. So it's one of my favorite new styles we've been working on in design school. So I'm gonna give y'all a little peek about that. I'm gonna start off by making these loops kind of large here. Now, if you're not in our class yet, we'd love to have you in our class. Every week I'm in there teaching the ins and outs, design principles where you can learn how to make gorgeous pieces for your home. And later, if you feel like you are ready, you can even learn how to sell them and make your own pieces that you can put out on Etsy or sell them at craft shows, all that good stuff. So I'm going to dovetail these tails here. And I just stacked a couple of the tails up together on this side. I love that. Now we're going to add our next layer. And I'm going to come in with the green now because I love this beautiful mossy green. Just fun to mix these colors together. I just cut these straight across, and I'm going to do one longer tail and then twist it. We'll come in and do the loops. You're just going to repeat those same loops you just did, just a little bit smaller. These kind of bows are a lot of fun to add to your pieces that exist too when you want a little bit more of a, instead of a horizontal bow, of a bow that's going to go vertical in your piece. So that may be hard to understand right now, but when we get into making the wreath, I will show you how it all goes together. So depending where you're seeing this video, you may not be seeing the wreath yet. So just ask for that in the comments. Just put bow in the comments and we'll know that you've seen the bow and now you're ready for the rest of the project. All right, and I'm gonna put a couple of these in. I love stacking these puppies up. Now, when you come to that top ribbon, you can decide what kind of look you want to go for. And I'm going to bring the stitching back to the front first. Just layer it on. A little pop of this one. I love that we get all these fun tails. And instead of doing 2 in 1, I'm just going to do 1 over here. And let that tail come down a little shorter. And let's bring one more of this one in. I love these. These are just so fun because they're stacked up so differently. And on this one, I'm going to put 1 here. And then I'm going to finish with 2 over here. So that way the green really gets in the foreground. I think that's good. Just 1 and 1. Okay, and let's bring that over. Super cute bow. Okay, now let's get it off our bow maker. I like to use cable ties. So if you're new here, this is a cable tie. You can use wire as well. I just like how the cable tie can get tighter than a wire can for me. So I get a lot of pressure on it. And now it's time to let the magic happen. And I'm going to hold pressure with my fingers, and then we're going to fluff this out. Remember, it's not a symmetrical bow, so there's a lot more going on this part, which is going to be the top. So I think I love it. Come into the back, add your cable tie. This, I like to use a little bit longer one if you have them, because it makes it easier for you to attach it. Okay. And the way we're using this bow, we don't even need anything in the center to hide our middle. Just like that, we made this gorgeous bow. I love it. And I can't wait for you to try one just like this. And remember, if you want to see the project we use this on, pop bow in the comments, B-O-W, and then we'll send you the rest of the project so you can grab this kit and see what we made.